come with me, let's make this weight loss friendly shawarma bread. So this is my cabbage, and here is my cucumber. I just slice it to remove the seed from inside. If you want, you can leave the seed, but I don't want the seed. So I'm going to cut it into the sizes that I want. You can use grater or any kitchen item that you normally use in grating your own cucumber and grate it. So like so. And I already grated my carrot. Due to time, I didn't show that. And I'm going to mix everything together. I'm mixing the carrot with the cabbage and the cucumber. Mix thoroughly, very very well. Personally, I like my own carrot to be higher in the mixture. So I have my leftover fish here. I'm going to remove the little bones due to my little kids that will be eating this with me. If you have chicken, you can use your chicken or your anything beef. Just make sure you add protein, or if you don't have, you can just leave it aside. Then mix it thoroughly like so. Mix it. Then we'll go in with our cream. Guys, I know we are on weight loss, yes, but we are not on military regime. Eating just salad cream once in a week will not make your belly to become so big. So feel free to add the salad cream. It will not spoil your journey for you. All right. So this is my oats. I'm going to go ahead and blend it. Then this, after blending it, I'll pour it into dry plate. Add my baking powder, just a little baking powder, and milk to make it more milky and sweet. Please note, no sugar. This is salt that I just added. Then I mix it with my warm water, because you know that oats does not have gluten. So I mix it with my warm water. I added oil, but you can leave the oil. Mix it thoroughly. Then turn them into a ball like so, a little ball. So I'm going to just make the ball like so, as you are seeing it. Then use a flat surface to press it down until it becomes very flat, because we can't use our rolling pin to roll it due to oats does not have any gluten, so it's hard to stick together. But with this, when you press it hard, it will. So I'll put that on a medium heat and heat it up just on a little medium heat, and be flipping the side and pressing it downwards as you are heating it up. And this is after heating it up. As you can see, they are so nice, allowed to cook cool properly. Then you mix your salad with it and roll it gently so that it do not break. Roll it, it will be break. So like so, as you can see, just munch on it immediately. This is an enjoyment weight loss. We are not on a military regime, like I said, and it got me 3 of this, and that is all for today. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.